Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. So let's get straight into it. Today I want to do an unboxing of the Freewell All Day 8-pack right here, and also the Diffusion Snow and Glow Mist filter. All right, let's get straight into it. So let me start with the smaller package and see what's inside. So right now I'm actually shooting on the Osmo Pocket 3. It comes with a cleaning cloth. There's nothing else in the pack. And it comes with a really nice case right there. And let's open it and see what's inside. And here we are. And this is the all-day pack. Slide it right there. All right, so this also comes with a cleaning cloth, which I think is very important because you're going to be touching those glasses, I'm sure, because they're really tiny, and when you're holding it with your fingers, your fingers are definitely going to be touching the glass at some point or another. All right, so let me open it. Let me take off the plastic right here. So let's open it up and see how it looks on the inside. And I think those look really good, guys. All right, guys, so I stepped inside my car, and I want you guys to see what it would look like once I switch over to manual. So as you guys can see, I'm very much overexposed in these shots. I'm going to start with ND8. And that shot is looking a little better than before. You can definitely start seeing the blues in the sky in the background, but it's definitely a little bit overexposed still. So that was the ND8. I'm going to switch over to the ND16. And that is definitely looking a lot better right there. Let me know what you guys think. The sky is definitely coming a little bit more. You can start seeing those clouds in the background right there. And I think that is looking pretty good so far. So I'm now going to switch over from 16, and I think this is going to be 32. So let's switch it out. And that's definitely looking a lot better now, guys. You can definitely see more details in the sky. Sorry, guys, it's very windy on the outside right now. It's very windy, very cold. But I'm just doing this for you guys. So yeah, so you definitely see more details in the clouds right now. And this, like I mentioned before, the sun is to my right over here, which is nicely light in my favor, because if the sun wasn't there right now, I definitely would be in dark, in the shade. All right, so that is definitely looking pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch out from the ND to the CP with the ND in there. All right, hold on one second, guys. So now this is the CPL with the ND filter built in, which is ND8. And you guys can tell me what it looks like. Pretty much the same, but what the CPL is supposed to do is if there's any highlights, if you have like water or anything like that, you can definitely add a little bit more contrast to your sky and everything else in the scene. All right, let's switch out. All right, so now that is the 16 that I'm on right now, and pretty much the same thing that you're going to be getting. But like I said, I can actually dial in the what I need in the filter right here. But right now I'm not going to do that. I just want to go through each of them as quickly as possible for you guys, so you guys can see the difference, and you guys can let me know what you guys think. All right, I'm going to go now from the 16. Take this off. And now I'm going to be going to the 32, like so. And I definitely like the 32, but look at that sky behind me now. It's definitely a lot more saturated in the sky. Those blues are looking really rich in the scene right now. And I'm definitely loving that, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to switch out from that now, and I'm going to go to the 64. All right, so this is the 64 that I have on to, and you can definitely see if I go in the shade right here where it's covering my face, you can literally don't see me anymore, but I'll just step out so guys, you guys can see me. So let me know what you guys think about that. All right, and that's pretty much it. But there's actually one more in there. This is just the CPL without the ND, like so. So this is just the CPL with no ND attached to it. And as you can see, the sky is literally white behind me. All right. The reason why I turn the face tracking off is that if I try to put the filter on with it on there, it is definitely going to probably put a strain on the motor. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to, the sun came out a little bit brighter now, so I definitely think the 32 would be a better bet. Yes, and that's definitely looking a lot better. Let me know what you guys think. Let me turn on the tracking, face tracking right now, so that way the camera can actually follow me. But just remember guys, the camera only follows you to a certain extent. It can only rotate to 180 degrees on one side and I think 90 on the other. So it's a little bit limited to where it can go. But if I lift it up, and you can see I'm actually walking right now. You guys can actually see me just walking, and it's definitely following my face. I want you guys to see the scene behind me. It's looking pretty good. Right now the sun is behind me, so you can see that my face is in shadow. But if I turn around, like so, you can definitely see what I look like with all of this. And if I should extend up, you can see that the gimbal is still following me, just like that. Let me know what you guys think. And the one thing I really do appreciate about the Freewell filters is that it actually is very good at stacking filters on each other. But I definitely love how well the camera is following me. Very smooth. It actually attaches on to me nicely and it's not going anywhere. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to head back inside now because I want to test out the mist filters. I think it will be a better effect having it inside where the lighting is a little bit more controlled and I can actually have some lighting on the background, you know, facing the camera so you guys can actually see the effect of the mist filter. All right, stay tuned for that, guys. See you shortly. All right, guys, I am back inside where it's nice and warm. So I'm going to demonstrate the snow mist filter and the glow mist filter for you guys inside. It's a little bit better. I'm going to put a light here where you can see, right now my 50mm main camera has on the mist filter on here, so you can see a slight glow. But I definitely want to test that out with the camera just to see how that looks. You guys let me know how it looks, okay? 1 second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the snow mist filter. While I was in the cold, it actually got some fingerprints on there, so I'm going to use the cloth that was included in the package. I think that looks a lot better. I'm just going to put it on like so. All right. So based on what they're saying, you should see a nice sort of soft glow in my skin right now. And I'm going to put the light up and you can see what that looks like. So this is with the snow mist filter on there now. I'm going to take this down. This is without. I'm going to take this off. All right, so this is without the mist filter on there. I'm going to hold it up one more time so you guys can see. Put it down. Now I'm going to put the glow mist filter on there now, like so. I'm going to put it up. You can see that nice glow right there, a nice little glow. All right, let me take it off. Like so. I'm gonna put back the light up and you guys can see what that looks like. So what I'll actually do now, just to test something out, just to see how it actually looks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stack both filters on here and see what that looks like. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna put on the snow mist filter first. Now I'm gonna put on the glow mist filter. And let's see. All right, so enable face tracking on here. I'm gonna put it up. So this is both filters on the camera. Let me kind of turn off face tracking because I want you guys to be able to see it, what it looks like on the camera. Come on, focus. So this is it with both of them on there. So you can see guys right there. All right, let's put it back where it was. So that's with both of them on there. Let's do it one more time. And you can see, you guys can let me know what it looks like on the camera. So this is with both of them on. I'm going to take it off so you guys can see without. And I'm holding it up one more time so you guys can see. All right, so guys, in the comments, let me know what you guys think of the look of the glow mist filter, and as well when I was outside, let me know what you guys think, what each of the ND filters look like with also the CPL. Let me know, and also these products will be in the description below if you guys need to purchase. There'll be links down there for each of these products right there, guys. All right, guys, so this has been, the demonstration of both the glow mist filter, the snow mist filter, and also the ND filter that I did outside. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you guys think of each of them. And if you guys need to purchase any of these products, links would be in the description below. All right, guys, you guys stay safe, take care, peace.